when I took admission for the regular classroom batches, then I started preparing seriously with Aakash BYJU'S, and the study material, the teachers, everything was fantastic. It was very comprehensive, and I think it played a great role in my success.
I joined Aakash BYJU'S in class 11, and the kind of support I received from Aakash BYJU'S, it was really amazing. I never imagined that it would be so. In fact, Aakash BYJU'S became my second home.
I joined Aakash in 9th standard. I saw that my sister joined in 11th, and I wanted to join early because foundation courses, it might help me bridge the gap. So I joined early. I gave Anthe in 8th standard, which was pretty much a game changing moment for me.